Hey guys, we are back. About to go to week 2 of airplane camp. I'm gonna try and do this vlog better, but I have no idea how I'm gonna do. I'm all packed and we're gonna head to the airport soon. So we just got to the airport. We just landed in Daytona. So we gotta wait for another kid again. You know how it goes, just... We're in the Walmart right now. Everyone say hi to the vlog.
Your YouTube channel?
Apparently. There's a Build-A-Bear in the Walmart. I am so shook right now. Hey guys, what's up? It's day 1. Yay, we out here.
No engagement below that.
We watching Top Gun. We out here. Oh my god, I can't turn the camera around. Playing basketball. Hey vlog, it's day 2. Today we flew. I did some landings. Yeah, I'm in the bathroom right now at Flagler Airport. Hey vlog, it's day 2. Everyone say hi. Hi. Anyway, yeah. Hey vlog, story time. So we were just taking off on day 2. And literally, like, the plane, we, like, hit the tail down. So, like, we had to, like, abort it, and then we're gonna take off today, and then now you can do all the flying today, so it's nap time for me, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do all the flying. So, yeah. Hey, vlog, we're at the International Speedway. Fuck.
I like when it doesn't turn.
Ooh. Vlog, what's up guys? I'm here with Lindsay. We're just chilling in the fucking hallway, that's right. Vlog, what's up? It's day 4 actually. Yeah, I know how you guys think it's like day 3 because like I fucked up yesterday. But like it's actually like halfway through the fucking day. But
paid advertisement by Chick-fil-A, guys.
Sure.
Go Eagles!
Oh my god, yay!
Go Eagles!
Hey, we just got stuck in the fucking elevator!
She took my coat. A lot worse than
Hey Shivani, say hi.
I survived the elevator run.
That's the second time, boys. So we got out of the elevator.
Yeah, it was hot.
It was, bruh. And like Wayne was there, and oh, it was kind of, it was.
We got out and it was like.
It was pretty fun. Hey vlog, we're mini golf.
That wasn't good.
Yay!
That intro.
Golf. That's not
how
an
many
intro.
shots did that take? How much did you pay? Yeah.
It's not an intro anymore. It's like.
How much did you pay? Look at him. He's such a butter. You want to know the last
Timmy, I love you.
Thank you.
What's up? It's like fucking. Actually, technically, as of right now, it's day 5 because it's midnight. But like, fuck that. We're not gonna count as day 5 because like, we're gonna need sleep. So I don't want to do this on the vlog because I don't know who's gonna watch this because it's going on public YouTube. I'm talking really fast right now. I have like 4 bug bites on my butt, and I'm like, them bitches hurt. So I don't know what fucking day it is, but like, I'm really fucking tired.
When you're vlogging, okay.
It's okay. So we're in Flagler right now, waiting for lunch. I'm with the girls, and we found a room and we fucking locked ourselves in here, and it's a nap time, boys.
Eat a Snickers.
We got actual food. That's
not the vlog.
Food.
You're not you when you're hungry.
We
That's how you got food.
I'm like,
You good? Yeah, that's definitely some running. You put in your water bottle.
yeah, we got food. Hey vlog, what's up you guys? Yes, oh my god, hey bitches, what's up? I didn't think I'd get you in. It's my girl. We're gonna go to dinner, and I'm gonna vlog at dinner because I always do. Vlog.
Are we on the vlog again?
Yeah, everyone get in.
Today.
We graduating.
No, I did my hair for
Everyone in.
Yeah, he did his hair for himself.
I did it for you. I can't even hold it that high.
We got another vlog. 1, 2, 3,
Go Eagles! I said it early, fuck. Hey vlog. I kind of fucking died. Like, bruh, my head hurts so bad. Like, I had having football. And then I was just chilling, like, and then, like, I started like I think gagging, and then like Josh was really sweaty, and then I got my hair in the toilet. Chloe, you need to go to bed.
Hey vlog, it's the last day. Pretty sad. Kinda confused. Say hi out. Hello. I'm just gonna miss everyone. You know. I don't wanna think about it.
Today is the 50th anniversary of the moon landing.
And I asked.
No, you didn't, but hey, I'm gonna do story times, and I'm gonna do almost died at camp and almost got raped at camp. They're gonna be two separate ones. In the airport, you know, I got food. Say hi, Taylor.
Hello.
We're about to head out, so I'm in Charlotte right now in the airport, and I'm waiting for my bags to come on the carousel thingy majigger. So yeah. Back at my house, just chilling, you know, honestly, this camp was like so awesome. I loved all the people. Counselors, there were like no classes. Like, this camp was just so fun. Thanks for watching the vlog, y'all. I hope it was better than last time. I genuinely do.